Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Putri Intan Safitri. I'm from Child of Science 2. Here I'm going to show you about how to use air cooler as an air conditioner as a fulfillment of my English assignment regarding to text procedure. Air cooler is an electronic device that functions as an air conditioner, which is also able to humidify the air through the evaporation process. The following are the steps for using the air cooler. First, make sure the air cooler is dead, then unplug the power lines first. Second, open the drawer at the bottom of the cooler water because it represents a water tank for cooling water. Third, fill a tank with clean water to the designated limit and then place 2 packs of frozen ice into the water tank. Then, slide the bottom drawer of the air conditioning slowly so that the water doesn't spill. Last, connect air cooler to electricity. Press the power on button and continue by pressing the cooling button. Air cooler is ready for air conditioning. So maybe that's it that I can tell you about how to use an air cooler. Forgive me if I made some mistake because it's my very first time. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.